So I'm Joe, and I was working with Alex on Touch of Mathematics. So the concept of it, I guess you saw last time, was math plus a multi-touch interface. Can give you like a multi-touch equation editor, which basically allows you to manipulate algebraic terms like across an equal sign, put them together, take them apart, and hopefully lead to like a brain overflowing with math knowledge. Okay, so what the features we have so far, these are what we had last time. If you have like a plus b is equal to c, and you want to take the b to the other side, you can just drag it over, and then you can go back and forth between like plus and minus. And then we added this to, this is a multiplication. If you want to divide the b, you can do pretty much the same action, and it'll yield something like this, except in the interface it can't do the vertical display. It'll just have it all be horizontal, but hopefully that'll be fixed. Yeah, so again, just like back and forth. And this was the newest thing that Alex and I added, a solver part, which is if you have 2 plus 3 is equal to x, you can grab both terms and put them together to get 5. You can't take them apart because that really wouldn't make any sense. But that's, yeah, and then this feature works with, so far it can't go like recursively, like if it was like 3 times 2, you wouldn't be able to put those together. But you can put the 3 times 2 together and then the 2 plus 6. I guess I can give a demonstration of what we have. This is Peter's example.
Peter's face lights up.
Okay, so this is the what we have so far online. This the merge button. This is really for like a desktop that can't use multi-touch. You would be able to just input the terms you want to merge together. I was hoping to clean that up and make that more like user-friendly, but this was kind of like a debugging sort of thing. It just kind of got left in. So I'll demonstrate the merge. So you'd have your expression, and then a variable that you want to set equal to or something. And then you can just grab the 2 terms and push them together, and then it'll give you 30. And you can, I guess, move this however you want. You can divide by it if you wanted to. So that's really the manipulation we have so far. For the future, I want to add more complex operations and stuff, like exponents we haven't been able to put in yet. And Alex was working on a different way completely of solving this, because right now it's for each operator you have and for each gesture. This is like a pretty big function it has to go through, and he was trying to like simplify and generalize this process. So we'll see where that takes us. That's pretty much it. Any questions?
Yeah. So that pinch together is like really, really cool, and it just combines the terms. Are you planning on extending that gesture throughout ease? Like if I wanted to expand like a parenthetical.
Not ease.
Or not ease. I'm sorry. In Touch of Math, like if I have, a plus b squared, and I wanted to expand out that term into a polynomial.
Yeah, we would want to put in like factoring and then expanding terms. Both of those I wanted to have implemented by now, but I guess we weren't able to achieve that yet. But hopefully that'll be able to. I think Alex has some code for at least factoring, so let's see. Yeah.
How do you handle getting the multi-touch inputs back to the server? Is that just like HTML5 or?
This is JavaScript.
JavaScript.
Yeah. So.
Cool.
Yeah.
So obviously this is aimed towards multi-touch, but what
if, let's say, we just wanted to use a mouse and a keyboard, I mean, like a regular computer and a mouse, like, is that, you know, with a single touch, you could still feasibly drag a number into another number and combine them, that sort of thing, like, is
Yeah.
that functionality going to be there for those that don't have touch screens?
Yeah, I hope to implement something, but it's not going to be as like interactive as a multi-touch interface would be. But I hope to have something like just on a regular
Yeah.
laptop or.
I think you would still be able to get a good deal of interaction, or perhaps you could circle
Yeah.
things and so on and so forth, but you could still get a lot of functionality.
So I will,
Yeah.
I will ask a question. Sorry, I will ask a question which in place of Peter. Will it work for in iPad?
The last time I tried on an iPad, it didn't support HTML5. Like, it didn't support the canvas.
Yeah, because if you put this in an open source and for the iPad
Yeah.
application, then because then the competing software which is closed
Yeah,
closed
it's
source
closed.
machination, yours could do a better.
Yeah, so it should work.
And we could try on the new software if you
Okay,
want.
yeah, that'd be great.
Did you try that closed source thing?
I never downloaded it. I don't know. So.
He did you download it? They have posted it in their blog about the machination. These things I played with that machination video.
Yeah.
You did?
Oh, in place of Morphe, could you do LaTeX output?
Right, okay. Now we have to go in chain in place of name. If you add it, that in geese or something.
Yeah, we were trying to find something that would. We found a CSS, like something similar that used CSS, but we didn't implement it. I hope to, like especially for like a history or something. That's a feature I wanted. Someone mentioned it last time.
Just Alpha doesn't actually do LaTeX output, but you can get if you use one from Alpha, you can get the Mathematica code out of that and take that.
Can you get Mathematica?
Well, you can get it out of okay, so you get it out of Mathematica.
Then
So
after it has all the work.
you have to go via Mathematica, but so you do your math and then you want to put it in your document or whatever.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you want to copy and paste. Wait, Dadfo could do that these days, right?
Copy.
Wolfram Alpha is so bad. It is so bad that place for everything is copied. You had a question?
Drag the zero under.
Yeah, that is sort of
Oh,
question I
it's
had.
For division.
Zeros can't be dragged across. I could.
Show 3 minus 0 equal to 3.
Wait, no, that's. There it is.
But if you write 1 plus 2 equals 0.
I wouldn't be able to figure out that it's not. But don't do that.
Well, it is spelled like that.
Yeah, it's just.
Not 3 minus 0, actually 3 divided by 0 equal to.
Oh, well,
sorry.
if you
Yeah,
input.
3 times 0 equal to 0.
Okay, yeah.
3 times 0 equal to 0.
I'm just gonna leave it as A just because it would be like you're solving for it, but so
Now drag 0
Oh,
on the
boy.
left side.
see it doesn't let you actually divide. So
Can you multiply it? Because that might be a valid operation sometimes.
this is just using the JavaScript eval command. So yeah, you get the right answer, but
Call it.
I was wondering, so you went through revenues and
yeah.
is it difficult at all to handle the events, determine which number you're trying to
Slightly, yeah, because I guess the different multi-touch, the array that it's passed to, you have to figure out which touch is doing which, because if you merge two events, you have to know which one was clicked on the left versus the right. And also just finding them is basic.
Yeah. It might be easier to try with SVG. Because that, it's like a DOM interface.
That is a scalable vector graphics, but that is SVG is scalable vector graphics. But for this thing, that may be an overkill, I think. That is my gut reaction.
SVG.
it is called SVG, Scalable Vector Graphics.
Oh, yeah, okay.